So my uncle cooked. We finna eat. He made fried chicken, corn and green beans. I don't know why he makes it, but he been to jail a few times, so you know. And then some rice and rolling. Of course, you gotta like douse the chicken in hot sauce and then ketchup. If you're one of those weirdos who got something negative to say about ketchup on chicken, you're weird because I bet you eat ketchup with your chicken nuggets. I love chicken. Whoever decided to cut that little bird up and make it a meal, they did their thing. He may know what he's talking about with these veggies. Bro, I'm so sick. Like, I don't even sound like this. It's so yummy.
Mom, can you bring me the hot sauce?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome.